In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Smartsheet cells. This is incredibly useful if you're working with multiple sheets and need data consolidated or synchronized across them. Let's get started. First, we need to go to our destination sheet. The destination sheet is where you want the information to be pulled into. Navigate through your Smartsheet dashboard and select the specific sheet that will host your data. Once you're in, pinpoint the exact cell where you want the information to appear. Selecting this target cell is the starting point for creating a link to another sheet. Make sure this cell is appropriate for the type of data you'll be pulling in. After selecting the target cell, right-click to reveal a list of options. From this menu, you'll choose Link from Cell in Another Sheet. This might seem like a small action, but it's quite powerful. It tells Smartsheet that you want to establish a dynamic link with another data source within your collection of sheets. The next step is selecting the sheet from which you will pull the data, known as the source sheet. When you click to select the source sheet, it brings up a list of all your existing sheets. Scroll through and find the sheet with the cell data you need to reference. This sheet serves as the origin of the data that will link to your destination cell. Open the source sheet, scanning its contents until you locate the exact cell that holds the information you wish to import. Next, click on this cell. By doing this, you actively highlight the data you're planning to link. Double-check to ensure that you've selected the right cell to avoid any unexpected data appearing on your destination sheet. Once you have the right cell selected, you'll proceed to finalize this connection. Now, to complete the process, simply click Create Link. This action will forge a live link between the two sheets, embedding the data from your source cell into the destination cell. You'll notice an arrow or other visual indicator within the destination cell to denote that this link is active. This feature is particularly valuable because it ensures that any updates made to the data in the source cell automatically reflect in the linked destination cell, maintaining consistency and accuracy across your sheets. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked a Smartsheet cell to another. This linking capability not only saves time, but enhances data accuracy across your projects. As you continue to work within Smartsheet, you'll find this skill to be a critical asset in managing sprawling sheets with interdependent information. If you have any questions or need more clarity on these steps, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy linking.